Road boy. Your nation people, hear what I say right about now. Because I see the man them a go wicked on the internet. Because Ricky Trooper come out and say something. And I see Vegas and some more man attack him and stuff like that. So, we see the man them a deal with it on the internet. I heard it good?
Yes.
Alright, good. It's like some ongoing story, some tracing thing. The man them not deal with the thing the right and proper way. But you don't know. Say me, a concrete stepper. And anywhere I step, anything we shake it down there go broke off. You see what I say? So watch it, nation people, and make 10 stars step. You see what I deal with? Hear what I say right about now. Of the world, it's not a plan. So watch what I go on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When I come for represent a full effecting man, you don't know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, God's a favorite. Most definitely. Watch me now. Are the most electrified man on YouTube international business. What? Your nation people. You know me not easier. I grade me smoke and me not bun beady. You know me represent Gaza way there ain't no other way. Hear me man? They ever watch the color corner boy can't punk it. You know how we deal with things already. A fair and square. So right about now, you know, when Trooper come out and attack and them shit there, probably some of the things them where him say to the context are to maybe to how him say it maybe sound like a disrespect to some people, but and everything where him say a joke thing. Some most I think them when him talk about a real thing him talk about, I just to the way how him bring it across. So I say, I see some look come and I run on and I say, well then, the man for load the youth them and them shit there. So like the man them will claim say, right now, you know, the hardcore dancehall better than the trap. And each time them take interview, them discuss about that and even tell the man who interview them about it and all them shit there. So none of them now go draw up the youth them. None of them now go to the youth them on a one-on-one basic and show the youth them certain things and upgrade them in a certain things. Nobody now, yo, listen to me. Differently from Bounty Killer and Vibes Cartel, who bust the youth them. Not only bust them alone, like in terms of carry them around and give them exposure. Meaning like do song with them and all of them stuff there. And not only that, carry them on them tour. You see what I say? Because I have to remember, say a whole heap of tour, Killer carry them on them pan. You see what I say? Yeah, no joke shit no dead about it. The first time the cops them want move on, remember say half a Killer European tour, him have to leave from and come talk to the cops them. You know remember? You see what I say? So these are the things them where the man them now do. Enough of them here come and a lick out pan Ricky Truth and chat up them more. Them now carrying a youth pan a tour, my brother. Them a carrying a youth pan a tour and I tell them and I make the youth them walk out show for them. I make the youth them stand up and see how them deal with things overseas. So the youth them can do the same. Them now carry them furthermore them not even sit down and a hold certain discussion with the youth them. You see me? And then again, the youth them right now, you know, the youth them for know. Me's a man, me not go criticize the youth them because them are youth. And them are do. Where them see a go on because man I said trap and I mean like it probably are bringing a fast income for youth and youth so them can drive a nice car and you know what I mean? Start live the lifestyle where them dream about and them shit about youth. You don't have to know say music bigger than money youth. You don't have to know that say music, the music itself, bigger than money. No joke shit not dead about it, you know. You see what I say? Say anytime you admit that you know yourself and know say the music bigger than the money, you not gonna know how to cherish the music, how to protect it, and how to govern it. You see what I say? How to keep it safe. You see what I say? Because without the music, you don't make no money, my brother. You see what I deal with? So the music half bigger than the money. You see what I call the music bring in the money. No lollipop thing not there in it. No gimmicks thing not there in my game. You see what I say? So if you know the music bring in the money, you see what I say? You know you have to deal with the music in the right and proper way. So a music you're not supposed to pray, you're not supposed to pray money because there ain't no music without money, my brother. You see what I say? Them come together. It's a combo, it's a deal. You see what I say? So the more big work you put out there musically, or the more money you have to get. So no gimmicks thing not dead about it. So the man them really have to protect the music. No joke shit not dead about it. And what I say to the big artists, them you need to carry the youth them on certain show, make them open out certain show for you, make them stand up and witness what you done, why the people them love you all over the world, my brother. And why people rate you as a top performer. You have to show the youth them, my brother. First thing, you have to mix with the youth them, and youth you have to mix with the elder. You can't, not because you make some money and you drive a nice car, you feel like the elder can't talk to you no more. Or the elder not supposed to give you no chat. When they come a dance, I'll come see the elder. And some of the elder have to let go off of these things, you know, my brother, because you can't be the artist and the #1 artist ever, you know, but you can be a legend artist, my brother. Show the youth them the right thing, my brethren. You know what I mean? Instead of you come on the internet and me see be a man and cuss, and be a man I say this, and be a man I say that. No winning to get, no, my brother, because most of you are chatting, you know, boss no youth, you know, my brother. Most of you hear a chat, you know, boss no youth. Vegas now carry the youth them on him tour, on him European tour, when them have him tour and carry the youth them go up now trophy him. Vegas now do that. You know what I mean? So I don't think him supposed to have no argument with Trooper, because in the end of the day, Trooper go pay most youth song, you know, and them shit there in a dance hall, you know. No joke shit not dead about it, but me I say some man will come out and I run them out. Them not do nothing for the youth, them they only come and run on them out like that. Only come and run on them out like that. If you not carry the youth them on your tour and make them open out no show for you, none at all, Zane. But yet still, you want to come on the internet, come have the most things to say. You know what I mean? So I'm going to chat alone and I can't chat. With the action there. Because I'm not see you not kicking nobody draws in them ass with the work, my brother, with the work there. When they not carry the youth them with you know. A killer and Vibes Cartel them alone, me see do them thing them, my brother. No joke shit not dead about it. And the world boss and Vibes Cartel alone, me see do them thing them, my brother. Okay, I'm Bearish among them. Carry you go all over the world. Make you go walk more show for them. And make you stand up and witness and watch what them do to show. Teach you them the shortcut on the stage so them know it, my brethren. You know what I mean? Instead of me see man I come out and I chat this and I chat that. Me say without Bounty Killer Vibes Cartel. I'm Bearish and them man as me say. You see what I say? When I see carry you go all over the world, go shell it. You see what I say? I make you to represent. I make you witness what them done to the scene. You see what I did? Them left the scene smoky. You know what I mean? From on now carry the youth them physically and I show the youth them how we no deal with things. Now, you know, sit down and nurture the youth them certain way. You know what I mean? Now, you know, work with the youth them. And the youth them, if you know, work with the elders them on a whole tough face because you claim you make you own money, a lollipop thing, all of you go on with. Because music bigger than money every time. No gimmicks business, not dead about it. Without music, there ain't no money. So, what not chat about? Yo, when I get the thing together, you know. Yes, what I say? Yeah. If you now go unite, the thing now go be stamp of approval. Yes, what I say? The general, you know, the 10-star one, I represent. When you know my thing go already, you know. Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10-star, general. Watch.